Now look at the third function of the Constitution. Limitations on the powers of government. Means a constitution sets some limits on what a government can impose on its citizen. I will explain. Suppose you decided who had the authority to make decisions, but the authority passed laws that you thought were unfair. It prohibited you from practicing your religion, for instance, or it enjoyed that clothes of a certain color you were prohibited, or that you were not free to sing certain songs, or that people who belong to a particular group like caste or religion would always have to serve others, or that government could arbitrarily arrest someone. You would obviously think these laws were unfair and unjust. And even though they were passed by the government that had come into existence based on certain procedures. So, Constitution limit the power of the government in many ways. The most common way of limiting the power of government is to specify certain fundamental rights that all of us possess as citizens and which no government can ever be allowed to violate. Citizens will normally have the right to some basic liberties like freedom of speech, freedom of conscience, freedom of association, freedom of trade or business, etc. In practice, these rights can be limited during times of national emergency. And the Constitution also specifies the circumstances under which these rights may be withdrawn.